Hi everyone! Do you like stories? I love stories. Here's a story called Boring Bill and the Diamond Robbers. This is a story about a museum guard and his work. Let's see what happens.
Boring Bill and the Diamond Robbers. This is a fictional story about doing a good job.
Boss, look at this. There's a big diamond at the museum.
I love it. I want that diamond.
Where's the diamond, boss?
It's in the museum. It's near the museum cafe.
Let's go in the museum now.
We can't go now. It's 3:15. There are a lot of people in the museum in the afternoon. Let's go tonight. The museum closes at 6 o'clock.
But Bill, the guard, is there at night.
Don't worry about Boring Bill. He does the same things every night. It's a very boring job.
Does he go to work at 6 o'clock?
No, he doesn't. He goes to work at 5:45.
Does he eat his dinner at the museum?
Yes, he does. Look, he eats his dinner at 8:15.
Does Bill go to bed at the museum, boss?
No, he doesn't. He goes to bed at home in the morning. But he brushes his teeth at the museum.
Look, he's in the bathroom. Let's get the diamond now.
I brush my teeth at the museum, but I'm watching and listening too. My job is exciting, not boring. Prison is boring. Goodbye, robbers. Ha ha!